Hi students, வாழ்க வளமுடன். இன்றைய வீடியோல basic concepts of trigonometry. After watching the video, like it, comment it, share it, subscribe it and press the bell icon. Let us enter into the video. Yes. Now, what are the basic concepts of trigonometry? First, let us know what do you mean by the term trigonometry. It is a branch of mathematics. Trigonometry is nothing but a branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of sides and angles of a triangle. We all know triangle means three sides it has got, three angles it has got. Hence, it studies about the measurement of the sides as well as the angles of the triangle. Let us see the trigonometric ratios. Now, what is this? Look at this figure. Now, this is what is called a triangle. In this here, it is given 90 degree. That means what? It's a right-angled triangle. In a right-angled triangle, one of the things is 90 degree is given. Opposite to this 90 degree, this side is said to be hypotenuse. Opposite to the 90 degree, the side, the name of the side is said to be hypotenuse. Now, this one, look at here, it is given angle. Angle normally we say 30 degree, 40 degree, 50. Instead of that, it is given theta. General term, it is given theta. Now, this is called theta. Like 0 and slash hypotenuse in theta. Now, with respect to theta, we have to find out the ratios. Now, with this respect to theta, opposite to 90 degree is said to be hypotenuse. With respect to theta, this side is said to be adjacent. Adjacent to this theta. Now for this one, this is the opposite side. For this theta, this is the opposite side. For the 90 degree, this is the opposite side. Is it clear? Hence, it is a right angle triangle. Again, I repeat, in a right angle triangle, opposite to that, this is 90 degree. Opposite to this side is said to be hypotenuse. And now this is theta. This is adjacent side for this theta. Now the first ratio is said to be sine theta. I see, look at the spelling, S-I-N-E. Normally we write it S-I-N alone. For the first time I have written S-I-N-E, sine theta. Sine theta is nothing but what? How to find out sine theta? Sine angle. For that, you have to do this. Sine theta is equal to BC by AC. Now, which is BC? Now, with respect to this theta, opposite side is what? BC. That's what BC. By AC. This one is AC. So the ABC is a triangle. Now sine theta we are finding out. For that the rule is opposite side of this angle, that is BC. Now next hypotenuse, that is AC. BC by AC is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. For the sine theta, opposite side by hypotenuse. The next ratio is said to be cos. COS, cos theta. For this cos theta, what is the value? What you have to do is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now, with respect to theta, I have told already adjacent side is this. Now, look at the figure, this adjacent. Hence, this is AB. That's what it is given, AB by hypotenuse, that is AC, opposite to that 90 degree. Hence, cos theta is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now, next one is a tan, T-A-N. Tan theta is nothing but sine by cos. We can see. That means what? Here we never use the hypotenuse at all. Just opposite side by adjacent side. With respect to theta, theta opposite side BC. For the theta adjacent side AB. That's what? BC by AB. That's what? Opposite side by adjacent. Very easy to remember. Hence I repeat again. Sine theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. Now, from this, again the fourth one, see. One more ratios, that is cosecant, C-O-S-C-C. Cosecant theta is nothing but opposite to the sin theta. We can say what? 1 by sin theta. Just in sin theta, what we have told? Opposite by hypotenuse. Here see, hypo by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse what? AC by BC. Like the next one, secant theta. Secant, SEC. SECANT we have written as SEC alone. Secant theta is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacency. For this cos, reciprocal of cos, that is. cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse by adjacent for the AC by AB. Now next one is cot theta, COT, cot theta. For that is here for tan theta we written opposite by adjacent, reciprocal of the thing, adjacent by opposite, nothing but AB by BC. I repeat again. First one is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Now the fourth, fifth, sixth is cosecant, secant by cot. Now whatever you have written sin theta opposites by hypotenuse. For the cosecant, hypotenuse by opposite. Like cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse. Secant theta hypotenuse by adjacent. Now tan theta opposite side by adjacent. Cot theta is adjacent by opposite. Very easy to know. And you remember this one thoroughly well first. Now reciprocal relation. The same thing whatever. Cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is what? Nothing but 1 by sin theta. I have told you same thing. 1 by sin theta. Now sin theta is 1 by cosecant theta. Both are like the secant theta 1 by cos theta. Or cos theta is 1 by cosecant. Just reverse of the reciprocal. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. And tan theta is nothing but 1 by cot theta. Reciprocal of each and everything. That is 1 with the 4, 2 with the 2 with the 5th, and third one is with the 6th. Now quotient relation. This we can remember easy way. Sine by cos is equal to tan we can have. Sine by cos is equal to tan. Like that, cosecant by secant is equal to cot also we can have. Cosecant by secant also. Or we can, in terms of quotient relation, we can say cos by sine also cot. Everything same only. And do not get confused. First 6 ratios be thoroughly well. 3 ratios if you know, other 3 they can be derived. Now the special important identities normally we use in trigonometry is these 3 basic identities. In algebra we have special identities like that. In trigonometry also special identities are there. What is that? Sin squared plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Now from this we can derive the other thing. From this sin squared theta alone means 1 minus cos squared theta. Like that, for cos squared alone, if you want cos squared theta, we need 1 minus sin squared theta. I repeat, sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. From this other thing can be derived. Sin squared is equal to 1 minus cos squared is equal to 1 minus sin squared. Now like that, the second basic identity is secant squared theta is equal to 1 plus tan squared theta. Now secant squared theta minus tan squared, bring this one here. Secant squared theta minus tan squared theta is equal to 1. Like that, we require only tan squared theta means secant squared theta minus 1. Wherever you see tan squared theta, you can use this term secant squared theta minus 1 also. When you do the sum, it will be applicable. Now cosecant squared, the third basic identity is cosecant squared theta is equal to 1 plus cot squared theta. Cosecant squared theta minus cot squared theta is equal to 1 we can say. Or cot squared theta is equal to cosecant squared theta minus 1. Now if you know these 3 thoroughly well, other 2 can be derived from that immediately. Now based upon these relation, there are small sums which is given. Normally it will be asked 1 mark, sometimes 2 marks and all. Now you know very well this is a right angle triangle. Here 90 degree, you know very well it's a like an L shape, this will be 90 degree. Opposite to the 90 degrees, what? The question mark is given. Now AB side, the measurement is given 5. BC it is given here. Now the theta, look at here, theta here I have drawn here, but look at here theta here. Then with respect to theta only. What? If you are asked to find out, now the diagram will be given. This number 5 and 12 will be given. ABC is the right angle triangle. This one is 90 we know. The question mark is this. What is the measurement of AC if it is asked. We have to apply the Pythagoras. That is the Pythagoras Theorem. AZ is equal to AC. If you want to know the measure of the hypotenuse, mean AZ is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. With respect to theta, AC is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. Now for the things, AB squared is what? 12 squared. BC squared is 12 squared plus 5 squared. AB is 5 squared. BC is 12 squared. 12 squared plus 5 squared or 5 squared plus 12 squared. 12 squared is 144. 5 squared is 25. if you add the 169, that is the square. For the 169, 13. For 13 is the length of AC. Now, in a right angle triangle, always the length of the hypotenuse will be more. That length will be more. That's what it is called triplet. Now, if one thing is 5 in a triangle, 3 sides will be there in a right angle triangle. 2 sides will be given me. Third side easily you can find out. For that, it is called triplet. 5, 12 means definitely it should be 13. You can do it. Hypotenuse, if you are asked to find out, you have to add up. Now, look at another one it is given. See, look at another right angle triangle. Here 5 it is given. This one is 90 degree. You are asked to find out this. Now, see this 3 in a right angle triangle. Look at ABC. AB you are asked to find out what? BC is given 3. AC is 1. Now, AB you are asked to find out AB. AB is nothing but what? This in hypotenuse you know very well. It is given. Then from that you have to subtract root of AC square, root of 5 square, root of AC squared minus BC square, root of 5 squared minus 3 squared, that is 25 minus 9, that is equal to root 16, nothing but 4. Hence, this one is 4. AB is 4. The length of AB is 4. And this triplet is, if 3 and 5 is given, another should be only 4. Either hypotenuse asked alone, other thing you have to find out the adding of the thing. Clear? Square of the thing and finding out the square. Now, sometime the question will be if secant theta is equal to 10 by 6. Find cot theta or find all the other ratios. Instead of the I have written cot theta. Secant theta. Totally 6 ratios are there. No? In that secant theta they are given without diagram. But you have to draw the diagram and see, because secant theta it is given if. So secant theta means what we know, that is hypotenuse by adjacent. So hypotenuse what here? Definitely 10. It should be 10. So immediately you can put 10 here. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Adjacent means 6. So you have to take this one as a theta. Yes, 6. So this should be the 90. You know very well. Now how to find out AB? You have to find out. Then only you can find out the other ratios. Because 3 ratios should be given. 3 things should be given. 3 numbers should be given. Triplet, only 2 numbers are given. But secant theta is given. Means definitely hypotenuse only this 10 and another should be, adjacent side should be 6. And what you have to do for this one, if you want to know, you have to 10 squared minus 6 squared. 10 squared minus 6 squared, 100 minus 36, that is 64. Root of 64 is 8 and this AB. Now once you know the thing, immediately you can apply the thing. What you have to find? Cot theta you are asked to find. Cot theta means what you have to do it. Cot theta means what? You have to see here. Cot theta is adjacent by opposite. Cot theta is adjacent is what? 6. 6 by 8. Then cos theta is what? 6 by 10. Tan theta is 8 by 6. Sin theta 8 by 10. Cosecant theta 10 by 8. Hence the triplet is first you have to find out. 6 and 8 mean another should be 10. Like this some more triplets are it's given. You can check and see. 7, 24 mean 25. 8, 15 mean 17. 9, 40, 41. 11, 60, 61, 12, 35, 37, 20, 21, 29, 16, 63, 65, 48, 55, 73, 36, 77, 85. Now how to check? Only one thing I have given, 7, 20. In these 3, which is the biggest one? 25. And see. And the other 2 you have to root of 7 squared plus 24 squared. Root of 7 squared is 49. Root of 24 squared is 576. And 625. For this 625, square root of 625 is 25. That's what it is given. Hence it is correct. Like this you have to work out number of things and learn thoroughly well the trigonometric basic ratios. Thank you for watching.